This is going to be a new product for the NPR. We've had a lot of problem with the NPRs. People stealing the batteries because they're a little cheap. It's supposed to be a lock here over the batteries. We had a lot of customers who asked for something different on these. The way we had to do them was run a 2-bar across here and a square tubing underneath, basically making a clamping system. However, that was causing people to have to trim their box. So we've designed something a little different. Another thing we are having problems with is on some of the NPRs, you have a lip here that goes up that holds batteries in. Other ones have a lip that goes down. Not sure why there's a difference, so we come up with this method here. This is the bottom bracket of our locking system. We're going to set that in there like this. You are going to have to drill 2 holes. Make sure it's centered. Let's see here. Although there is 2 holes already on the NPR in the center, we're not able to use those because they're too close. You know, they interfere with the lock itself. So we'll take this. We'll just go ahead and mark this here. Then we're going to drill 2 holes in this. Let me get this drill set up, then we'll come back to you. Okay, so now we drilled our 2 holes. You look inside here, and we drilled those. We like to go a little higher than needed, but this is a 3164 drill bit. You want these holes to be a little bigger so you're not arguing with it. You're going to line this up with your existing, these 2 holes with those 2 on the tray. Then you're going to put in your back battery. Alright, so now we got our back battery in. We're going to take, this is the bottom anchor. It's going to go underneath. And as you can tell, there's no bolt heads on this, so there's no way for them on use anything to take these off. Run those up through there. That may be too tall. And then you have another plate here. It's just going to make everything a little wider, take a little more bite on the 2 batteries. We'll take the bottom locking, bottom part of the lock, you'll put that on there. Set your washers and nuts. And unfortunately, I'm going to set this next battery in. I'm going to need his help, so we're going to have to pause you for a minute here and set to go. Now you see we've got both batteries in. This is stabling through the sides here. By doing this, what you're doing is you're locking down 2 corners. And as long as the 2 corners are locked down, there's no way for them to pry it from this way. Once it's tightened down, they cannot pry it from this way. These batteries will not come apart. We're going to tighten this down. We got to install the locking mechanism. And we'll come right back to you. Alright, so now we've got this tightened down. You can see the extension plates are here. You've got your higher angle here. So this battery is completely locked down. You can tell I can not move. I mean, if I had a big screwdriver, I'd stick it in here and pry all I wanted. These batteries are not going anywhere. They're completely locked down. At this point, you just simply take your battery lock, put it over the bottom mount, and push it down. And that's it. This battery is locked down. Nobody's getting these out. They cannot pry this thing loose. Your batteries are secure.